The Microscopy core facility's mission is to visualize small objects ranging from millimeters down to nanometers in size. In this range, images of tissues, cells, subcellular structures, or even single molecules can be vividly captured utilizing the instrumentation in this facility. The interdisciplinary team consists of 3 postdoctoral scientists with backgrounds in optics, biophysics, material science, molecular, and cell biology. The team provides assisted service on approximately 10 state-of-the-art microscopes, as well as expertise in sample preparation and data post-processing. Most microscopes are set up for live cell imaging, including temperature and CO2 control. In addition to visualizing molecules in their natural context, quantitative information are extracted from the images, such as length scales, morphologies, fluorophore concentration, molecular mobility via FRAP and FCS, and molecular interaction via FRET and FLIM.